There isn't a very strong smell, but there is definitely a peculiar scent inside as we enter. Step 1. Checking the place he died. It was confirmed that the man died while in the unit bath, enclosed bathroom. 1 month has passed since removal of the body, and so the bodily fluids have begun to solidify. Some of the fluid has leaked outside the bathroom. The soaked bath mat is now stuck to the floor. Step 2. Tidying the property. We pay our respects and begin clearing the home out. As the smell will be blown outside by the wind, we close all windows and doors while working. The electricity supply had been cut, and as it was in September, the inside of the flat was quite hot. Step 3. Clearing out the unit bath. First, all contaminated objects are removed. Following this, a full disinfection. The dried-on fluids are scraped off with a scraping tool. At Kansai Clean Service, we accept requests daily for cleaning and clearing services.